What's up, folks? My name is Trail, better known as Budget Bill, and today I want to share with you this new promotion that can offer you up to $225 in free stocks for married couples or $150 for individuals. These are the minimum amounts but can exceed more rewards than this. I'm super excited to share with you this video, so let's not waste another minute. So if you could quickly press on that like button, as it really helps the channel and it helps YouTube algorithm to share this video with more people. Now let's go ahead and jump right into the video. What's up, folks, and thanks for sticking around. So the last promotion that I shared with you guys last year was worth $150 in free money just for signing up. So many people didn't even believe me and were pretty much closed-minded to alternative ways to generate additional income, which is totally fine. You know how it is. Some people just don't like free money. But me, myself, I love to receive free money, baby. Hell, that's why I started this channel, to be able to share these types of things with other people who may be interested. So that last promotion that I'm talking about was offering new customers to sign up for a Sofi money account and receive $100 for signing up, and an additional $50 after you deposit $100 into your account. That was it. Well, Sofi is here again this year offering a different promotion. And this promotion will offer you $75 in free stocks after you sign up for a new investment account with Sofi. But wait, there's more. You can receive an additional $75 for each person that you refer to sign up for an account as well. So that's a total of $150 in free stocks that you could receive today, or within a few days once it clears. The only requirement is that you use someone else's Sofi referral link or a code to sign up. The other requirement is that you deposit $1,000 into your investment account. That's basically it. Now, you don't have to spend or use that $1,000, but you must keep it in your money account or your investment account until you have received your sign-up bonus. And then after you sign up, you want to refer someone else so you can receive an additional $75 as a referral bonus. So yes, that's $75 for signing up as a new customer, as well as $75 as a referral bonus. This is literally free stocks, or as I like to call it, free money. Y'all know we love free money, right? Now, this $75 sign-up bonus is only for new customers. So if you already have an account with them, you may want to verify if you have an actual Sofi Invest account as well. If you don't have one, then you are eligible to sign up for one as well. Now, this is an increase from the previous $50 sign-up bonus that they had in the past. So as I always like to mention, when these type of promotions occur, you cannot procrastinate. All good things don't last forever. So they could potentially end this promotion at any given time. So you need to act quickly if you are interested in receiving this free money, or free stocks, which is worth free money, right? So the process for doing this is literally a total of 5 steps in which you can receive $225 in free stocks. Number 1, find my referral link down below in the description. Number 2, sign up for a Sofi Invest account using my referral link or someone else's referral link. Number 3, deposit $1,000 into your account electronically within 14 days. Number 4, send a referral link to your spouse using your referral link. Number 5, then refer your friends and family using your referral link. And you can get all of that done within less than 5 minutes. Again, this is $75 or more in free stocks deposited into your Sofi Invest account. So make sure that you sign up for a Sofi Invest account and not a Sofi Money Management account. The last promotion that we ran last year, I was able to receive $1,300 in free money just by sharing it with my family and friends. So today I am sharing this offer with you. After you receive your free stocks deposited into your account, you can then withdraw your $1,000 back into your bank account. In addition, if you don't want to keep the stocks invested with Sofi, you can always sell them at the current value and then withdraw that money back into your bank account as well. And as I stated in the title of this video, this is totally zero risk free, but the reward is very phenomenal. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them down below in the comment section. I tend to respond to each and every comment. If you enjoy these types of videos offering you free money from sitting on your couch at home, give us a like, as it definitely helps out the growth of this channel. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? This is a great time to click on the subscribe button down below as well as the bell next to it so you can be notified every time I upload new videos. Again, that's all I have for you today, and I hope to see you on the next video. Peace.